Hello, Nevis here. I'm going to show my students how to create or how to access the Quizlet classroom that I've just created for the third years to do their Quizlet activities. So the easiest thing to do is to go in up here and register if you haven't. I've just used, this is my student account, so I'm going to access it by just accessing with Google. That's the easiest, okay? And there it is, I'm already in, because when I registered to use the website, I registered with my Google account. So one of the things that we do want to do here is join the classroom that I've just set up. So I'm actually looking at another class, but I'm going to get the join code. I think I've actually got the code that goes up here. So let's try that. There we go. So all I did was put the link in the browser up the top, and that's the class I want to join, so I'm going to join it. There we go. And that's easy, really, really easy. So once I'm here, I've got part 1 and part 2 vocabulary. Let's just go into the part 1 vocabulary, and I'll just show you quickly how it works. Okay, so basically we want to look at the flashcards. The flashcards, first part, just basically if you click on it, it gives you the term and the definition. So that's the term, that's the definition. And to go forward, okay, same thing, okay? So we have a term and definition. Once you click on it, now what you need to do here is to learn. So these are the flashcards. You can go through them, read them out aloud, and then click on Learn on the side. Now I can just go to the options down the bottom left, and I want to answer with the definition, not the term. I want to have just flashcards for the moment because I want to learn, and I want to have the audio on so I can listen to the pronunciation. Okay, so remember these things, and I'm going to say yes, restart. Here we go. Don't worry about the ads on the side, that's because it's the free account, so just try not to be distracted. So here we go. If you click on here,
breakout,
you can hear the pronunciation. Do that again.
Breakout.
Now you'll only hear what's here and not what is in the brackets. I can go and remove those so that you can hear the whole thing. And then if we click on it, it'll give us the definition. So
escape from prison.
Okay, so, and you can say got it and keep going.
Be caught red-handed. Be seen committing a crime.
Okay, so that means that I can learn and listen to the pronunciation. I'll just go back and show you something else. We can do a write one, a spell one, a test at the end. I'll show you just quickly how to do a test. Again, you need to go into the options so that you can skip the written ones, do matching, multiple choice and true or false. They're quite good. Always answer with the definition. So create new test, and here we go. And here you would just have to put in an A or B there. Here you would just answer multiple choice, whichever one it is, true or false. You can also, because it's only 6 questions, I didn't think of that, just let's make multiple choice and create a new test. That's easier. Okay, so you can create these yourselves, and then every time you do these, just say that one for example, check answers, and it'll tell me what the answers were, the correct answers. Okay, so you can always check that. Let's go back. You can always match, start the game, and here you have to basically match, and if they're wrong, that's what will happen. If they're right, okay, you get a green one, and you have a time limit. Now once you get to the end, okay, so once I've gotten to the end, it'll tell me how long it took me to do, and at the moment I'm obviously in first place because I'm the only student here, so I'll just say play again if I want to, or I can just go back. I'm not worried about that now. Gravity, I can also do this. I don't like this one as much, but maybe you might. Start the game. This might not be as, because you actually have to write it, so we don't want to do that one. All right. Now, I can always go down here and see what I've done so far. Okay, I can always check on my work down here, and I can check my scores, and there it tells me I'm the first one in the matching game. Okay, so that's basically it, really quick. So enjoy. Okay, see you in class soon, I hope. Bye for now.